Parliament passes legal education reform bill to abolish Ghana School of Law monopoly and decentralize professional legal education. Now, if you want to become a lawyer in Ghana, you cannot just wake up and go to court and tell them you are a lawyer, so they should give you time to settle cases. It doesn't work in that way. You need to go to money processes. Now, if you want to become a lawyer after SHS, you need to go to university. You need to go to university for Bachelor of Law. Yes. After you go to university for 4 years for Bachelor of Law, you are not done. You cannot say that yes, you have your Bachelor of Law degree, so they should give you chance to settle cases. You are not done. You are not a lawyer. You are not a legal professional lawyer. No, you are not. You need to go to Ghana School of Law. And the Ghana School of Law too, you can't say that no, you have completed university, you have your Bachelor of Law degree, so you just apply and they will pick you. No, it doesn't work in that way. You need to go to many processes before you can go Ghana School of Law. And the Ghana School of Law, let me say, was the only place that you can go before, or that you go before you become a lawyer. If you don't go there, you are not a lawyer. Though you have your LLB, but you are not a lawyer unless you are not unless you go to Ghana School of Law. And it was the only institution in Ghana. Now, the government sat down and saw that no, if you do that, it won't help. Because you need to write entrance exams. And then something like that. You know what sometimes will go on. Me, I'm not here to hammer that place, but something that you have to write entrance exams before they pick you. Many things. Might go on, but you are not here for that one. I don't want any problem. So many people fail. They will fail you because there is a pass mark. If you don't read that pass mark, if you don't get that pass mark, they will fail you. So a lot of people are in the house wanting to go Ghana School of Law and become a lawyer, but because of frequently facing frequently failing the entrance exams, they are still in the house. You understand? So the government has taken that monopoly, that power that when you go to university and you need to come back and write the entrance exams and go to Ghana School of Law. No, they have decentralized that that power. Now they have shared that power to some universities, some institutions, which you can have your legal education training. So now when you go to KNUST, so after 4 years, after you have LLB, you don't need to come back and write entrance exams and go to Ghana School of Law. You can write entrance exam there and continue from there. You don't just come home because of Ghana School of Law was the only place that you can go before you become a lawyer. Before you can become a lawyer, you need to come home and sit and read and write the entrance exams. No. It doesn't work in that way anymore. Now, KNUST, they offer some after your 4 years, write entrance exams. When you pass, then you continue from there. If it is Legon, if it is UDS, no, you write it, pass, and then continue from there. You don't come home again and write entrances and try. They will fail you, and then you're still writing, hoping that one day you will pass and go to Ghana School of Law and become a lawyer. So it is good idea. It is good, and I'm happy. It was part of the government NDC promise, and they have fulfilled it. The law have passed. Now all the universities, they all have power. They have train. They can give legal training to students who want to become a lawyer. We have lecturers there, we have professors there, we have law lecturers who are very good. They can train them. They can train them very, very well, like those lecturers in Ghana School of Law. So now, if you wish, you can come back and write Ghana School of Law entrance exams and go to Ghana School of Law. If you wish, you can stay there where you had your your LLB or a different school which they also give legal education training. You can go there and write. When you pass, then you continue from there. It is a very good idea, and we are really appreciate, because that previous one, you need to go to the Ghana School of Law was the only place that you can have your legal education training. No. Na me bo and so I know you know somebody can say kululu bibi betimi akoso abrana enye so I say intabana boa until now we ebenya professor we will get lawyers, money lawyers. The limited lawyers we have in this country will be minimized. Now we have many lawyers because many schools are producing lawyers. Many schools are offering legal education training. Many schools. It's not only Ghana School of Law. And in Ghana first, they have their cut-off point. If they need 300 students and they had it, no, they just cut it off. You don't need any student again. So you have to sit and wait. You have to wait for another, I don't know, it is 4 years. You have to wait for another 4 years. 3 years. 3 years. You have to wait another 3 years before you apply or before you write again, which is very pathetic. Now they have decentralized. They have taken the power. So it's very good. I'm very happy. May God bless NDC government. May God bless and Parliament for accepting or for approving or for bringing that bill out. And then it's really good. And the government too, the president too, has it in his heart and he has signed for it to become a law. We are very, very happy about it. Here's Trenders TV. Follow me for more. Bye-bye.